Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be working on my 2003 Mitsubishi Evo 8. Today I'm going to be trying out this premium auto styling vinyl. It's a kit for the Evo 8, Evo 9 taillights, and what it does is it simulates the JDM taillight with the amber turn signal. Let's go ahead and get it cleaned up and get started. Alright, so we got it all done. Pretty smooth. I'd say it took me about 15 minutes to do both the left and the right tail light. Not too bad. I'm really impressed with it. It's gonna change the look of the car. So yeah. Until next time, guys.